Welcome to how to mass update the account of Remedyforce users using the Salesforce Data Loader. In the video, we'll cover getting the list of users and accounts, creating the upload file, and making sure you upload the correct account ID and account name to the user record. If you don't have the Data Loader, you can download the Data Loader by logging into Salesforce, going to Setup. In the Quick Find, type in Data, scroll down, select Data Loader, and then download and install the appropriate version of the Data Loader. Once the Data Loader is downloaded and installed, launch the Data Loader and click Export, then log in. Once logged in, click Next, select the account object, specify the location to store the account export file, give it a name, click Next. You want to extract 3 fields: ID, name, and Remedyforce account. Then click Finish. Click Yes, and then click OK. Next, we want to export the users. Click Export. Type U, then scroll down, it'll take you to users. Browse to the desktop or wherever you'd like to store the user extract. Click Save. Click Next. Export the following fields: ID, name, and we only need name for identification. In this case, we want the BMC account ID and account name fields. There are several account name fields on the user object. Make sure that you select the BMC account ID and the BMC account name. We'll add a condition that the users are active. Click Add, click Finish, click Yes, and click OK. Now that we have the accounts data and the users data, we want to update the account ID and the account name with the data from the accounts CSV and the user CSV. And so we need to update columns C and D for the users that we want to update their account, and then run an update using the Salesforce Data Loader. So we'll select, I'm not going to update all of them. We'll select a couple of users to update just for the purposes of this video. First thing is make a copy of this user CSV. Updates done with the Data Loader not reversible. So if we mess anything up, we want to have a backup. Since I don't need to update every user for the purposes of demonstration, I'll just select 4 from the Excel sheet at this time. We're going to update all of these users to the Acme account. So the account name goes in the BMC Service Desk account name field, and the account ID, the Salesforce ID of the account record, goes in the BMC Service Desk account ID. Save the file, and now we're ready to do our update. Go to Salesforce Data Loader, click Update, go to the Users object, browse to our newly created file, click Next, click OK, click Create or Edit Map. Since all the fields match, we auto match. And we don't need this field. When Salesforce Data Loader does an update, it only uses the ID as the record identifier and then the fields that we want to make the change to. So we could have deleted this, and probably should have deleted this from the Excel file. Once it's mapped to your satisfaction, go ahead and click OK and click Next, and specify the location where you want your error logs to go and click Finish. Click Yes, So there are 4 successes and no errors. We click OK. Now if we go into Salesforce, look at the user object. We go to active users and add the account field to the view. Sort by account name, and you'll notice that our 4 users, Luke Jones, Jackson Smith, Charlotte Harris, and our test user all now have the Acme account. This concludes how to mass update the account of Remedyforce users using the Salesforce Data Loader.